Ever found yourself with a nice chunk of Beam in your wallet and wished you could easily use it on platforms like PayPal? You're not alone. This is a common question, and today, we're diving deep to find out if it's actually possible. For those unfamiliar, Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency known for its strong focus on user anonymity. On the other hand, PayPal is a widely used online payment platform that's practically synonymous with e-commerce. Now, the million-dollar question: can you directly send money from your Beam wallet to your PayPal account? Unfortunately, the answer is no. Beam and PayPal operate on fundamentally different systems. Beam is a cryptocurrency, meaning it exists on a decentralized blockchain. PayPal, on the other hand, primarily deals with traditional fiat currencies like USD, Euro, etc. While a direct transfer isn't possible, there are a few workarounds you can consider. Convert Beam to a supported cryptocurrency. You could convert your Beam to a cryptocurrency that PayPal supports, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. However, this involves additional steps and potential fees. Use a cryptocurrency exchange. You could use a cryptocurrency exchange to sell your Beam for fiat currency, which you can then transfer to your PayPal account. Use a third-party service. Some services may offer to bridge the gap between Beam and PayPal, but always exercise caution and thoroughly research any such service before using it. Important note: these workarounds may involve fees, exchange rate fluctuations, and potential security risks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.